Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's design tip is to use differentiators in your tables. So, what I'm saying is for each different column over here uh, in your data tables or even tables, just add something that differentiates it. So, for example, here I have a subtle background color, so the background normal color is white for the table and the data table headers, footers, everything. But for each of the columns I have added background color of like slate 50. So let me just select these things and let's see. Yeah, slate 50 I've added as the background color for these things. So yeah, if you're designing something like a table, data table, or something like that, just add a subtle background or even a background color or is watercolor, something that differentiates it. Because if in a data heavy table like this, everything becomes too much to read if it's just white. So adding a differentiator is very helpful. So I'll just remove the background color here a bit, and yeah, so now it's very hard to see which line belongs to whom. But if you added a background color, something like this, it becomes very easier. Or you can also add a border around that, maybe a top border. Yeah, something like this also makes sense, but I prefer a background color to a border. So let me just remove that. So yeah, some other tips for designing data tables is to have search, drop downs, filters, export button, pagination and everything. But all that. But the main thing is differentiate each column, so that it's easier to scan through everything. And yeah, that's it for today. Let me know if you like these UI design tips and you want more. Bye bye.